Coming up in today's video, I do my 9-week mini braids update. I'm using mini braids and virgin hair fertilizer on my type 4 natural hair. 4C hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. So come on, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome back to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos. All my new subscribers, welcome. I'm so grateful for everyone who's just joined my channel. I'm so grateful for all your support, all your comments, your likes. Everything is really helping me and helping this channel to grow. So just a big thank you from the bottom of my heart. So this is 9 weeks. This is what 9 weeks of wearing mini braids on 4C hair looks like. 4B 4C hair looks like. Quite rough, quite rugged, and I'm going to get into some of the challenges later on. But let's just talk about where I'm at the moment and 9 weeks in, how I am doing. So in my last video, which was my 8-week mini braids update, I talked to you about staying consistent, being consistent on your natural hair journey. And so in week 9, we are continuing to be consistent. It's getting harder by the day. I've never worn mini braids on my hair for 9 weeks, ever. So this is new territory for me. My hair is feeling, looking, and just not anywhere, anything that I've ever expected before. It's starting to look like I'm locking my hair. I'm starting to get questions. Am I locking my hair because of the way it's looking? And that's absolutely fine, because if you are going to start locking your hair, perhaps you would start with braids. You can start with braids and many other ways. So I get that those questions are legitimate. Now, when I say I'm going to do something, I do commit to it, although this is unknown territory and I've never had my hair in for this long before and it's looking quite rough. I am going to stick with it. So how I'm feeling, I'm still feeling great. I'm loving my mini braids. I'm understanding that I can actually leave my hair alone if I try. I've left my hair in for 9 weeks and I want to give myself a huge round of applause, because although I've taken some out, as you can see in the video, some of them are twists, I have really, for the most part, kept them all in. So I'm just going to congratulate myself at this point for actually sticking to this challenge. It's been hard, but I'm seeing my hair. You can actually see the afro that's at the base of my hair. You see the thickness in my hair. Where my hands are massaging that area is really, really thick, and that's due to leaving in my hair in for this length of time. So my hair is thickening right before my eyes. You can see the section where I did rebraid and the section in the back where it's just really, really thick. So the main benefit is that my hair is getting even thicker, and I'm so excited at the end of this challenge to see just how thick it gets, because it's looking great, amazing. And I'm still getting lots of compliments on my mini braids, a lot of compliments, even with them looking this rough. I'm getting more questions about, how I'm growing out my hair. So people are seeing the benefits in real life. They are seeing my hair and seeing it looks bigger than it does on camera, and it looks longer than it does on camera. And so I'm getting lots of questions about my hair, which I'm really welcome, because obviously I have the channel now to point everyone to it. So I'm able to just show them every week, step by step, what your hair will look like if you do follow my regimen. So overall, I'm feeling great. I'm really excited to see what my hair will look like at the end of this challenge and see where I get to. So 9 weeks of wearing mini braids on my natural hair. The drawbacks for me is as follows. I'm starting to get a lot of knotting at the root, and my hair is tangling a lot. My next video, I'm going to try to take out a few of those, show you what it's looking like in terms of shedding, etc., and then deciding if I go beyond this point, because there is a lot of tangles, and I will show you that towards the end of the video. But if you just get to what I'm doing in the video, I'm applying my virgin hair fertilizer. I have been using virgin hair fertilizer consistently. It is really a challenge to wear your hair looking like this, but I've been wearing scarves, and I've shown you on my wall one of the scarf style. I've been really making things interesting by wearing headbands, and of course my trusted sun hat. Now I'm going to be doing a summer hair care video, so look out for that, or special ways that you need to look after your hair in the hotter months, so look out for that. I am covering my hair a lot with hats, not scarves so much, but nice cool sun hats I'm loving at the moment. So I'm covering my hair with that to combat some of the way it looks. As you know, I redid the front of my hair, but it's still looking frizzy. That's going into its 3rd week, whereas the back is going into 9 weeks. And so I'm really loving the challenge. I'm so glad to have started this challenge. If you are on the challenge, Do put a comment down below how you are feeling 9 weeks in. Let me know how you are doing. If you stuck that long, if you've redone your mini braid but you're still on the challenge, do also let me know. Also, do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so before. We are growing a natural hair long, healthy and strong in 2022. On this channel, I've been very transparent about my natural hair journey, so you can check out the playlist watching my natural hair journey, telling you I've never had long hair before. Then you can follow along the other playlists of how to grow your natural hair to the length that I have mine. I've got how to grow your natural hair from big chop to, you know, a little afro, and then from afro to shoulder length to armpit length to waist length. I'm going to be updating those videos. I have a few videos that need updating, so I'll be doing that. I'm just showing you the growth that I've received. I've just done my virgin hair fertilizer application, and I'm trying to show you there the growth that I've received. Can you see that? I believe I've now got 2 inches of growth. Now, I won't be officially measuring with a measuring tape until the end of the challenge. So it would be really, really interesting to see how much growth I've got at the end of 3 months. And I'm so excited for all of us that's on the challenge. That is a tangle that I'm showing you right there, where my hair is starting to want to lock. So all of those hairs in my next video, I'll be investigating them and trying to take them apart before they become locks, because I'm not ready for my lock hair journey, if there will ever be one as yet. I've got to keep on top of these braids to make sure that they don't lock. But as you can see, it's going to be some thick hair growing there, and I'm so excited to show you at the end of this challenge. I've been showing you over the last 9 weeks how I apply it, and sometimes I do that twice a week. So virgin hair fertilizer has been a big help to thickening my hair. Now, I do want to give a shout out to Virgin Hair Fertilizer, the producers of this product. It is not sponsored, but if you are watching this video, I'll be grateful for a sponsorship, because I have been showing everyone how great your product is, and it's really growing my hair. So if you are watching Virgin Hair Fertilizer, do give me a shout. It really works. I'm quite happy to give it a shout out anyway. But 9 weeks in, you are seeing tremendous growth from my hair and the thickness, and it's down to really leaving my hair alone, because as I said to you, if you did nothing to your hair and you just installed these mini braids 9 weeks in, just moisturizing them, putting nothing on your scalp, washing it consistently, sealing it, even doing some Aveda, you would have seen a massive difference on your hair without Virgin Hair Fertilizer. But I do believe it's giving me that boosted growth. I made things a lot more interesting by adding clove also to my mixture. And do check out both the playlists. I've given you detailed information on using cloves to grow your natural hair and using Virgin Hair Fertilizer to grow your natural hair. And you can see the results. I'm absolutely loving the thickness of my hair and the extra growth that I've received. As I said, the main drawback at this point is the way my hair looks. It is summer. I know there's quite a few of you that's new in the natural hair journey, and you've sent me questions. Thank you so much for them, and I promise I'm going to be doing Q&A soon to answer some of those questions. But I have created videos on starting your natural hair in 2022, and also playlists for beginners, routines and regimens for beginners. So also check out those videos that I've made in the past. You may have missed them because you just joined the channel, and also the challenge. So check those out. They should be able to help you. I'm showing you there that I'm using my trusted castor oil, my Jamaica castor oil from Jamaica, on my hair and on the ends to just try to thicken the rest of my hair. This is a great thickener, and it's also great for summer because it's an humectant and it pulls in the moisture from the air to grow your hair. Thank you so much for watching my 9-week mini braids update, and also 9 weeks of using Virgin Hair Fertilizer and clove to grow my hair. I'm still going. It's getting tougher because it's looking quite rough and it's starting to lock, but I'm sticking to it. I look forward to seeing my next video. Do check out any one of my videos and post your comments below. Also remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.